Hey guys, welcome to new one. So in this video, we're gonna set up our tracker order page. So to do so, I'm gonna go and click on apps, and the app that we're gonna use for, just gonna click on here, Shopify App Store, and the app we're gonna use, it's called 17 Track. So it looks like this. Okay, just gonna click install. Again, install. Awesome, man. Yeah, now we're inside dashboard. So essentially what we're trying to do is to build a page that once customer places an order on our store, they will get the order number or the tracking code, and they will be able to enter that code or enter that tracking number or order number on our store and able to see where their product is at, what's the current situation with shipping, and so on. Um, so we're gonna click on here on the tracking page, and you can see it says like here. I'm just gonna click on customize, and this is what it looks like. So what I'm trying to do is that I'll make sure just to change the buttons, okay, the color. So I definitely want to choose my brand color. So I'm gonna click on settings, colors, and we're gonna copy the color code. So we're gonna go back to 17 track, and button background, we're gonna make that like this. Lookup options button, again, we're gonna make that dark. And progress bar color, I'm gonna use the light, excuse me, I'm gonna use the lighter version for that one. So like this. And this is what we have right now. So just gonna click on save. There's not much else you need to do on here, honestly. It's already set up the way it needs to be. So the language and all that stuff, so it's all good. So just gonna press on X there, and we can see what that looks like for us. So like this. This is just, normally this will not show. This is just a preview, for like this, some kind of a tracking number, so the customer can see, okay, this was delivered to Houston, Texas. It's at mailbox. So it's gonna be like that for every single order. Or, it's just gonna say, hey, your order hasn't been shipped yet. Please wait for like 2 or 3 days for the order to be processed, so that the tracking actually works. So right now what we did is that we just created that page, but it's actually not active on our store. So basically right now, after we have made changes to the color, you scroll down a little bit and you do have an option on here, position, install to header. Just click on turn on, install to footer. Just make sure to click turn on, and it's gonna be enabled on your store. So if we open it right now and just click refresh, we can see that it is on there and it actually works. Also, you can see it's also in the footer as well. So it's working and it will do the job. So that's how you allow customers to be able to track their orders. So thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.